Morning.
Morning.
We are a little bit tired. We got up a little bit earlier today because we are getting ready to go to Disney World in like 3.5 weeks. So we are really excited to go.
Yeah.
But I know that I need to get into shape so I can have a Florida bod or try my best. So there's definitely other reasons too, but I am excited to kind of show you guys, I guess, our journey for the next few weeks just to see our progress. So for this video, we're gonna kind of show you our starting point and then maybe show you like a week after, just kind of what we've been eating, what we've been doing, and how we've been trying to kind of be healthier and get into better shape. And then we'll maybe give you guys an update before we go.
Yeah.
So we are gonna go weigh in and then go work out. Okay, she's stepping on the scale, and it's impolite to show a woman's weight. So we're just gonna keep track of how many, like, body fat percentage. So the reason why we do body fat percentage is because it does your measurements and your weight loss into account. So it kind of gives you a good range.
Kind of hard to see. But I'm weighing in right now at 207. So let's see what we can do here in the next little while.
After our measurements, I am 22.9% body fat.
And I'm 15 point something. I can't remember what the point is. Maybe 0.6.
I think it's like 0.6 or 0.4 or something.
Yeah.
So, anyway, so those are kind of our starting bases. So we are gonna go work out, and hopefully we can kind of eat right, work out, and get those numbers lower.
Look at this little hottie.
I was literally just eating spoons of Nutella.
Well,
So in other words, the eating healthy is not going well for me.
it's about to though. Time to meal prep. We're gonna do some chicken, some turkey steaks,
Making some garlic
edamame, some veg, all going in our new containers that we bought.
Yep.
Should be good.
Should be good, but I'm gonna keep eating the Nutella.
Okay, I'm not. She.
I shouldn't.
mean, look at this tall glass of water.
I shouldn't, huh?
She's so beautiful. So she needs a husband that looks hotter than me.
Yeah, right. You're the hottest in the world.
Love you.
Love you, baby.
Chef Zobi to the rescue.
Chef Zobi pouring out soy sauce. Ooh, this is gonna be like all of it.
That's okay.
Soy good.
Before I go to bed, I have to do my nightly push-ups and sit-ups. It's day 3 of eating healthier and working out so far this week. Here's what we got for dinner. I got some teriyaki chicken and some garlic edamame. And Zoe got herself a little BLT.
I'm eating my dinner.
How is it?
I almost choked, but it's delicious. I'm having a BLT for dinner. I had my edamame for lunch. And for breakfast, I had a Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwich. Because I can't resist those things.
That's the epitome of healthy.
And I had one little tiny chocolate from the candy jar at work.
Well, you're a little skinny mini, so.
Well, I'm trying.
I had a protein shake for lunch. And a peach with milk for breakfast. And then I already ate my chicken and I'm eating my edamame.
That sounds delish.
So here's what dinner is for day 3 of you working out and eating healthy.
Yeah.
And we're watching some 90 Day Fiancé, then we're gonna go work out. Okay, so I just finished dinner and I want dessert.
I want dessert too.
So we're gonna walk to Walmart and buy apples.
Buy dessert, not apples.
I'm gonna get an apple so I can have
Holy
some
crap,
apples
I
and
almost
peanut
fell
butter.
And I'll probably have another hot chocolate.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So we'll see you when we get back. We're done.
Just got back from our walk to Walmart, and we accidentally went down the wrong roads, and we had to even farther.
That's alright.
And I feel dead.
Me too. And that was only like 2 miles, but tonight's hotter than yesterday for sure.
Yeah, it was.
And the bugs are out, but it was a good workout.
It was a good workout. I'm ready for bed now.
Sleepy time.
Dessert time.
Oh yeah, dessert time. I gotta eat my apple and peanut butter.
Yep.
And then I still have my push-ups and my sit-ups or abs to do.
I don't have that.
But I'm not gonna do those tonight because you saw those last night. It's the exact same thing, super repetitive, but we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, time for my push-ups and abs again today. So let's go. Welcome to our home gym, or my parents' home gym.
Yeah.
So this is going to be the Workoutinator 5000 to help us get into shape, and that's going to be the Run to Deathinator 3000 to help us get into shape.
Yep.
So I think Zoe's gonna run,
Yeah.
and while she does that, I think I'm gonna do maybe a couple lifts. I don't know. Look at this little hottie go.
Okay, time for dinner. Vegetables, turkey steak.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, what did you eat today?
I had peaches and milk for breakfast, and a protein shake, and half of an apple. So I'm literally starving.
That's good. Hey, you're doing great.
And I also drank 64 ounces of water,
Good.
which I never do. So.
That's good. This is my third one of these, so I think I'm almost there.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only had peaches and milk, and then I did just barely have a really small, tiny apple,
Oh,
but
yeah.
because I didn't eat lunch at work, which I feel bad because I should have.
Yes.
So I'm going to end up eating this and then for sure having a protein shake later because I know I'm going to be hungry.
And as they say in France, bon appetit.
Day 3, 202.2. Down just a little bit again. Let's go work out. I come down here this morning and this little girl is already working out.
Well, the dogs woke me up about an hour before I needed to wake up, and I couldn't go back to sleep. So I just got up and did it.
Well, you're doing great, sweetie.
I'm watching Tim Tracker.
Hey.
He's eating treats, the Halloween treats at the Magic Kingdom.
Which we're gonna eat soon. Countdown is like 20 days.
Yeah, I think it really is 20 days.
I'm so excited to go.
Me too, that's why I'm trying to get fit.
Gotta work out and get to Space Mountain to Splash Mountain in 2 minutes. Workout is over. Time for breakfast, which is this awesome fresh grown peach from my parents' backyard and a glass of milk. I did lose, I think, like 3 pounds this last week, but my body fat percentage stayed the same because my inches didn't drop. Good work.
My arms feel like jello.
Mine too.
I only did like 2 workouts though.
But you're doing great.
Oh, thank you. You too.
It's hot down here.
Yeah, it's way hot, and I'm only doing like half of the workout that you did.
That's okay. And this is the best motivational song there is.
Nice work.
This is what an hour and 20-minute workout does to people.
I didn't sign up for this.
You did great though.
You did too.
Oh. Okay, we are done. I'm sweaty. I'm tired. It's been a long week. But it was a good week.
Wait, is it Monday? No, it's only
Tuesday.
Tuesday, but it feels like it should be like Friday.
It should be Friday. But it has been a good week. I think we definitely we've done really well as far as like eating better and working out. So we're just gonna kind of keep doing that. Definitely. I just feel, I don't know, I feel better or more confident about myself even if I really haven't changed much.
I think that just eating
It's like
healthier,
the
like working
mindset.
out. I think so too. So I encourage everyone to get out, get off the couch, have some fun.
And then get back on the couch. Like I'm gonna do.
We're gonna watch some Harry Potter because we're getting ready for Harry Potter World. Yay! So we'll see you guys later. Have a great night. We'll see you next week.
Bye.